Guys, welcome to BearBull. Guys, in this video, we'll be talking about a very important concept in finance, and that is the concept of leveraged buyout. Okay, here. So, leveraged buyout. Well, first, let's read this statement. It's the acquisition of another company using borrowed money to match the cost of the acquisition. Okay, so what you do, you are acquiring another company using borrowed money. Okay, to match the cost of acquisition. So once you plan on taking over or buying another company, there is a cost. You have to pay money. So how do you pay the money? You pay it using the borrowed money. Okay, so hence the concept of leveraged. Leveraged means it means debt. Okay, leverage is all about debt. Okay, when you incur debt, when a company incurs debt, it means that they are leveraged. Okay, so the assets of the acquiring company, okay, the assets of the acquiring company, that is the one, if this is company X and this is company Y, okay, so company X is the acquiring company, okay, this is acquiring company Y. So the assets of this company X as well as the assets of the acquired company, so acquired company is company Y, these both assets, the assets of both of these companies are used as security against the loans. So you want to buy the company and you need loans, okay, because the acquiring company does not have all the loans to acquire this company Y. So what do is that they go to the bank and they ask them to lend them some money. Now bank will ask them that, okay, how will you pay us back? The company will say, the acquiring company will say that, well, our assets are there, okay, our assets are there and the assets of the company being acquired are there, okay, so you combine these assets, okay, and what we do is that you pledge these assets, okay. What does this mean is means that once, if the company fails to pay back the debt to the bank will take over the assets of the company. They will liquidate the asset and recover the money, okay. So the ways through which you can through which the acquiring company can raise finance is through bank financing, or it can raise bonds, okay, and collect money, or it can issue mezzanine, junior or subordinated debt, or it can use seller financing. So these are the various ways by through which the acquiring company, the company which is acquiring, can raise the finance, okay. So once again, what is leverage buyout? It is the acquisition of another company using borrowed money to match the cost of acquisition, okay, and the collateral are the assets of the both acquiring company and the acquired company. So I hope this video, so buyout mean, of course, means when you buy out another company, okay, and leverage means you buy it through debt, okay. I hope the concept is clear. For more videos, keep watching.